turn it on. Don't start it.
Okay, just turn like that.
Till the lights all come on.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll turn this on.
So there's
Now
nothing.
you listen. Right there. You hear inside. Click, click, click.
Yeah, I can hear the click, click, but there's no air flowing. So it means we need to remove the glove box. Hi guys, we have some issue with this Navara D40. The fan of the air conditioner is not working. So let's have a look. Somewhere in there, they said, in a glove box. It's wrecked.
Well, the air conditioner fan's not working. So, where did he put it? First of all, see if the fuse is blown.
Remove all the stuff there. Fuses. So we need. Okay.
Yeah, I can see. Can you see? There's a U-shaped conductor in there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Well, if it's blown, it burns out. You see that U-shape down inside? So that's
intact.
99%. That's a good one. So
Let's put it back.
now.
It's alright. It's somewhere. So there. So
Jesus Christ.
not the bottom one. This is different car.
It just says it's a spare.
Yeah, different model. So this is the proper fuse for the air fan.
Trying to
Aircon fan.
put this in here. Okay.
Okay.
Now I don't know what this one is. I'd say that's been replaced before.
Yeah.
It's a different style, but it
Brand.
works. Yeah. But see here,
Okay.
there's nothing, and then the bottom one just says spare.
Ah, okay. So you need to check your
So-
guidelines. Here, all you can. How's this? You can see all the fuses here. It says where is the aircon. See the washer, the airbag. So this is all for your. How's this guide? Nissan.
You just don't like pulling it too hard, that's all. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Burger. Oh, I didn't know.
Let's remove this.
There's a bloody zip clip there.
So this is different style. So this is the screw. This look like star or OLED key. You need there. So one, remove this 1, 2, 3, and this is T15.
Is it the right size?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Some number was it?
T15.
T15.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is the one that. Okay. Oh my god. Exhausted. Really. Finally got this one. Just make sure how we gonna put it back. I can screw easy the two. So now let's remove this one. Okay, it's your turn to remove this, or
now you got there's a cable plugs in somewhere, and also you see that
this
zip
one
clip there.
here.
You see the zip clip?
Yeah.
You want to cut it off?
No, it's
Huh?
it's detachable. No need to cut it off.
Oh, okay. So the plug just should pull out?
Yeah. It's almost there.
Yeah.
See? It's almost this one. I just can't make it
See
right
if I can have a
down.
look, darling.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
One fan for see if
Okay.
I can make it.
Go. So let's test it here. We have a battery, portable battery, small
Yeah.
battery, and all you need to do is hook it here, and let's see if this fan will turn. If this
Right. Red for the cheap shit. We should buy good stuff. Alright.
yeah,
Oh, Jesus.
we're gonna do it sideways.
Yeah, if you can, where is it? You just got to hold it so that's off the ground. That's it.
Okay.
Now, so what I'm going to do, got it. See, it doesn't want to.
Ah, yeah, you need to start it with your hand.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to do it by itself.
Alright.
So it means it's cactus.
Let me just try reverse polarity because I don't know what I had there. Thing is,
Okay. What do you call this?
that's a fan motor. Oh, it's the fan, really.
It's a fan.
It's the